Hello and welcome to the Scrap Room. I'm Tina Gale, here to share the May 2022 Double Shot Kit. So the Double Shot Kit is our smaller kit. It includes 2 brand new collections each and every month. You can subscribe and have it automatically sent each month, or you can just do it on a trial basis month by month. You always receive cardstock, pattern paper, and embellishments. You also have access to 2 recipe cards. These are double page layouts designed by our awesome design team, and they give you their cutting and assembly instructions and then a full color photograph of their finished layout, so you can create right along with them. We also have a free exclusive cut file for you each and every month with your subscription. And this month's is this awesome cut file, perfect for summer. It has Summer Holiday for a title with that cute little sun in the center, the clouds with the airplane. You can cut these separate, or if you want to bump the Summer Holiday up, you can connect them together and make one large piece for a large background. That would be awesome. You could also make it smaller where it just kind of tucks in behind your photos. So many options for this month's cut file. So those are provided by Cut to You. So be sure to give them a shout out and tag them as well when you share your layouts with them. So this month we're all about getting into summer. We have 2 collections. We have Echo Park Endless Summer and Simple Stories Celebrate. So you can see this has a summer vibe. It has all those bright colors, but it is geared towards birthday. So you're going to see lots of embellishments for birthday, but you can also create a lot of other events and moments with this collection. So let's dig in and let's take a closer look at everything you're going to get this month. First, we're going to look at Endless Summer from Echo Park. So you're going to start with 2 sheets of white cardstock and 1 sheet of poolside. I just love that kind of aqua turquoisey blue. It's just gorgeous. Reminds me of a really pretty swimming pool. Your pattern paper is this Starburst done in the rainbow. This is gorgeous. You could actually cut this paper up and then put it back down, and I would like stitch along the centers or something, or of course you could leave it just the way it is and put a photo collage over here. It's great paper. The back is a tone-on-tone blue. It looks kind of like little water droplets. This is called Colors of the Sun. Then we have a cut apart. We have some 4x6. We have some tags here, and then some smaller ones that are about 1 by, let's see, 2.5 is kind of what I'm thinking. I don't know, 2.5, 3 something. And then we have the long border strip down here. Just Another Day in Paradise. Life is Better in Flip-Flops. And the back is another tone-on-tone, this time in yellow with pineapples. And we have this awesome stripe in the different sizes from wide down to narrow. The back is a tone-on-tone red with little crabs. So those are a lot of fun. For your embellishments, you're going to get a wide variety of embellishments this month. So from the sticker book, you're going to get 1 sheet of stickers. So this is the one that I received. So of course, all of the embellishments are going to vary this month. You're going to get a 1/3 pack of the brads and chipboard pieces here. So these are the ones that do not have the prongs on the back. They're adhesive. I love those. And a 1/5 pack of the ephemera pieces. So this is what I received. So again, all of the embellishments will vary among the kits, but this is a good representation. So that is Endless Summer from Echo Park. Our next collection, Celebrate from Simple Stories, is all about celebrating birthdays and everyday life. So you're going to start with 2 sheets of Commodore cardstock, 1 sheet of white cardstock. This paper is called Celebrate, or Let's Celebrate, and it has all of the great sayings, way to go, all the cake, hip hip hooray, with the confetti in the background. The back is the diagonal stripe. This one, called Way to Go, is the different colors of confetti on that blue, and the back is a striped with the little curly cues. I think that's adorable. This paper is called Happy Everything, and it's got all the beautiful flowers and little bumblebees on a kind of a light pink background. So you can see just on the B sides here, doesn't have to be a birthday. The back is a starburst print on yellow. Got some beautiful colors to work with this month, bright and cheery. For your embellishments, you're going to get the full 12 by 12 sticker sheet. So I love this banner up here. Those are always so much fun to start your title and creation, and it's part of the design elements as well. We also have some other larger words that you could use as titles, lots of small word labels, and a large scalloped border down here. We have birthday gifts and cakes, everything that you need to document those celebrations. So that is Simple Stories Celebrate. One more look at your double shot kit. Be sure to check out all the other kits available and the individual items in the store. If you're looking for more product, then check out the Flavors of the Month kit. The link will be here. Take you over to watch and see what all's included in this month's Flavor of the Month. Don't forget to download your free cut file. And thanks so much for watching, and we can't wait to see what you create with your kits.